Takion is a new trading software designed specifically for the professional trader. It is built from the ground up to allow maximum flexibility in designing layouts and customizing orders. Takion has built-in, fully customizable stock filters that no other trading platform software can offer, and allows you to get executions by accessing dark pool liquidity and taking advantage of special ECN routes and algorithms. What we have here is a sample layout where all the different windows have been opened and fitted on one screen. Let's begin with the main toolbar on the right side. You could see on the right side of the toolbar there are 13 different icons, and these are all the various windows that can be opened. And first up is the market maker window. In the market maker window you have your level 2, your title area, level 1, and the prints. Any data in Takion can be added, subtracted, or modified in its appearance, and the way you do that is through the settings. Right click, choose settings, and this will take you to the settings in the market maker, and first up is the level 2. Right now we have in the level 2, we have the size on the left side followed by the exchange and the price. So let's have the size appear on the right side, and we'll make all the ECMs lowercase, hit apply, and you can see that the appearance of the level 2 has changed and it just looks a lot cleaner. Quote color allows you to assign specific colors to different exchanges of your choice, and you can have highlighted the background, the text, or the market maker ID only. Title, this area here, you can see that there are currently 3 lines. You can add more if you wish, and should you wish to add more data to appear in any line, highlight it, right click, drag it over, let go, hit apply, and now you can see that the ask appears in the very top line. Filter. When the market is closed, New York listed stocks will populate their books, and what you'll end up getting are crossed orders. And the way to clean up the problem is you set NSEX and NYS to 0, and that will take care of it. Sort. You can choose to sort by size, so that you'll have the largest size always at the top. And accelerator is a cool little feature which allows you to assign shortcuts to stocks of your choice. So you can see that for Google we have the letter G as a shortcut. Hit G and we're in Google. Up next is the chart. This is a Takion chart. Very self-explanatory, straightforward. One of the things you can do here is you can see the relative performance of one stock compared to the other. So let's say we wish to see how Google is performing relative to the SPYs. Type in SPYs, and now you have the spiders in the blue line, and we can clearly see that Google is outperforming the spiders today. Up next is your position window, your orders window, and your executions. Again, very straightforward. Down here we have the message monitor. What this is, it'll tell you the status of your order, and you can see that the last order was sell 100 shares of Intel, and it was executed. Suppose that you are trying to sell short a stock, but it's on the hard to borrow list today, and you do not have a locate for it. Your message monitor will let you know that is the case. Here we have the account or risk monitor, and this is really useful if you have more than one account or you're a group leader and you wish to monitor the performance of your traders. You can do that through this window, and if you right click and go to columns, you can see all the different data that is available for you. Now we get to the really exciting stuff. This window here is called the market sorter, and that's this icon right here. This is one of the best windows as far as hunting for stocks in Takion. You could see that right now it is hunting. It is showing you activity for 7,925 stocks in real time. If you right click and you go to columns, you could see that all this data that is available for you to sort by, and there are actually over 130 different columns. Likewise, if you go to filter, you could set the criteria here, and you can have the time frame in day, market hours, or minutes, price, day net change, price range, percent change, yesterday's volume, volume rate per minute, the high-low count, imbalances, everything is in here. You will also use the market sorter to create your own custom watch list, and the way you do that is you get rid of this check mark, check the include, put in the stocks that you wish to see, and that's it. So let's go back now and let's see the power of a simple demonstration of the power of the market sorter. We'll choose the price of $30 to $700 and yesterday's volume of at least 1 million shares. Hit apply. Okay, and now the market sorter is giving you 473 stocks. So at this moment we have a market sorter is set to sort by prints, and what that means is it is showing you the stocks at the top which have the most activity taking place in them right now. For example, you can sort by percent in-day range, and what this does is showing you how close the stocks are to their highs. You can sort the stocks by percent in-day range, and what this will do is tell you how close the stocks are to their highs, and if it's showing you value of 100, it means that the stock is sitting on new highs or is continually making new highs. The possibilities really are almost endless here. You can also create other filters, and the way to do that is you right click, clone, and if you want to see the stocks that are up the most on the day, choose to sort by day net. And we want to see the filter of most down. Again, right click, clone, and now we have our most up, most down on the day. Very easy and extremely useful. Up next is the high-low scroller, which is right here. Right click, we go to filter, and again it's the same menu of criteria, and right now it's programmed to show us stocks priced between $20 and $600 with the minimum yesterday's volume of 500,000 shares and the highs only. And if we want to make a filter to see new lows, we right click, clone, go to filter, choose the lows, apply, and now this filter will show us stocks that are making new lows on the day. A very cool feature within the high-low scroller is the atomic pricing, and that's this window here. If we right click and go to filter, we could see that down at the bottom we have the atomic price checked off, and we have a time frame of 2 minutes, and we're looking for stocks that are priced between $10 and $25. We're looking for a move of at least 20 cents within the 2-minute time frame. Stocks between $50 and $85, a move of 50 cents, $100 to $200, a move of 80 cents, and so on. And this is a really cool feature, and it allows you to catch moves intraday. When news comes out and the stock is on the move, it will immediately pop into your atomic pricing sorter, and it's just really useful for extensions, reversals, and really great feature for the active trader. Up next is your API, and you will use this extensions window to connect your black box to Takion. The prints, we can link it to the active market maker, and now we have the prints for Apple, time of sales. The last icon here are the alerts, and the alert window is right here, and the way you set alerts is really simple. You right click, go to settings, type in Google, price of $600, add, apply. Okay. Finally, let's take a look at orders. Go to orders. Let's take a look at the buy limit, which is F11. The way buy limit should be built is side buy. On this program, it is programmed to initiate on the opposite side, 1 penny below the offer. Destination, share size. Swipe keys, F12 is buy swipe through, and it's programmed in the following way. Side is buy, opposite side, we're willing to pay 5 cents above the offer, and the destination is XCH. Cancel orders. All of these things should be checked off, every single box in the side, time in force, and order type. Since this is a cancel oldest order, you check off the oldest. And finally, let's take a look at the stop orders. Buy stop is F9, and the way that that is built, the side is buy, opposite side, we have it programmed to initiate 10 cents above the offer, time and force day, adjustable, destination, and it should be native. And if we hit F9, the buy stop window will pop up, and you can use either the hotkeys or the mouse to adjust the price and the share size. Finally, we will finish with the main toolbar of Takion. Right click, go to settings. The main toolbar will give you a summary of your day, and if we want to have more information in there, we can add. Right click, drag over, let go, apply, and you can see more data appears in there. Also, you can see here on the left numbers. These are all the different layouts that you can save in Takion. And if you wish to share your layout with other traders, it's very simple. You right click, layout, save as. This is called demo 1. I will save it, and I can send this layout to any trader. And when that trader logs into his Takion and types in demo 1 in the layout name, it will open up to this layout. This has been Takion Video Manual 101. Stay tuned.